Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another panty haul. Of course guys, for today's video again, I have a new panties guys. Okay, so I have a very seamless, very beautiful, colorful, seamless panty. Okay, so I have here, okay duha. Anuhin muna natin to. Okay, this one, the blue one. Maganda siya guys. This is seamless guys, tanawa. It is very nice. I bought this in the mall. Okay. Seamless panty, ganito po siya. And then very nice. Ang maganda dito guys kasi hindi na siya magbabakat or whatever. Basta maganda ang fittings nito, okay? It costs 59 pesos. So $1 guys. This is $1. Nagalin na natin. And it's XL to XXL ang kanyang size. So I am very happy guys dito kasi ang ganda. Look, it's a very flower talaga siya. Okay. This one, double siya. Double. Ayan o, ganito. So, ang pangalawa naman guys, I really like it also. Another naman siya. A colorful also. It costs $1 also. Pares sila. $1. Galing na natin yung. Okay. $1 and XX is small also. XL and XXL. Walang. So, I will try my best guys na mag-fit to ng magandang fit sa ako. Okay, ganito siya. Diba? And then, the rest also is like this. Ganito siya. So, maganda talaga siya guys. So, suot natin to. In case na comment below guys, like and subscribe. I will read your messages or even a heart is big help to me, okay? Para I can read your messages. Dito siya. And then this one. So maganda talaga yung kanyang seamless panty, very strong. Basta maganda yung kanyang nito. A low cut ni also guys ko. Ganito siya. Suot natin to sila guys. So, excited na ako masuot to. Okay, let's go! So, guys, ganito siya. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Flower. Very flowery. Ganda talaga. Blue. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo ang likod. O, diba? Maganda siya, guys. And then, the fitting is nice. Ayan. Okay, ganyan siya. Ganda yung kanyang, pagka niya dito. Low cut siya, guys. So, it's very nice. Ito siya, pack. It's a very nice. Yung kanyang fittings is very good. The fittings is nice also. And, yeah. Maganda siya guys. Suot na natin guys ang isa. So guys, this is the second one. Ayan, ang ganda niya. Pack. Maganda talaga siya guys, and then the color is very nice, lalo na siguro kung white. The tops is white, so it's more on clear. So pakita ko sa inyo guys dito, tanawa, very nice. And then wow, the fittings is wow also. Ayan, maganda siya. And then ganito po siya, diba? And then here, ganito maganda, good quality, seamless, very nice and comfortable. So sa inyo guys, do you like this one? Maganda talaga siya yung pag seamless siya, guys. Comment below, guys. Like and subscribe kasi tingnan ko kung anong mga comment niyo. Okay?